Hey guys, it's Tony. So a lot of you guys are asking me. I had some questions in the comments saying that, oh, does aftermarket price matter? No, it doesn't. Once we close at this $13.29 price, that's it. There's no going back. There's no going forward. There's nothing. Anything after hours doesn't matter because all we're doing right now is closing above $9, so that all the puts that are currently open are basically useless. Right? That's it. That's really what we're looking for. All we want to do now, all we're looking for right now is for all the hedge funds, all the market makers, everybody to basically buy back AMC at a premium and skyrocketing the price. That's what's going to happen. They have to cover their shorts, and that's why AMC more than likely will jump on Monday. For those of you asking if I'm going to sell on Monday, no, dude, I'm not going to sell on Monday. AMC is looking exactly like GameStop did last Friday. And what did GameStop do last Friday to this fucking Thursday? It mooned like 500%. I'm not gonna sell. I don't have any shares. I have contracts, 20 contracts. I have about 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I have about $14,000-$15,000 in options right now for AMC. And as of right now, it does look like there's gonna be a short squeeze, and AMC more than likely might keep rallying the rest of the week. Right? We don't know. But as of right now, just to answer your guys' questions, no, it doesn't matter. We closed above $9. The only thing that matters is what the close is. Anything after hours doesn't matter because options are traded only during market hour times, not after hours.